Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are diving into the world of teaching resources and templates. As teachers, we all know the importance of having access to high quality lesson plans, presentations, and other educational materials. In this video, we will introduce you to a website that houses thousands of authentic and verified educational templates. So let's get started. So welcome to the world of template. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So you can see a very good message here. Don't do the work if you don't have to. Our templates get your students to work quickly. Download or make a copy, adjust as necessary, assign to your students. Yeah, that's easy. So it's very easy. Just click on any image and you can get directly to the sections. For example, if you are looking for lesson plan templates, you can just click here and it will take you to the lesson plan template section. And you can see all necessary templates are available here. Or similarly, graphic organizers, interactive activities, game template, communication, and so on. I'm going to try a couple of them and you can explore more later. So let's try some templates. Let me click feedback template. You can see there is feedback template. You can choose any one you like. For example, I want to choose 2-star and a wish. So you can see very organized template is available. You can just use this template. So this is a 2-star and 1 wish peer feedback form. You can see here it's look very nice and very organized. Similarly, let's try one from lesson plan template. So you can see there are options in lesson plan templates. Let me try interactive lesson plan template from here. And here we go. You can see it's very colorful and the complete template is available here. This is really nice. You can explore more. It's very simple. Just click on it. It's very user friendly and you can access to thousands of templates. This website is completely free and there is no login needed. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.